Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on CFX and Conflux. Wanted to make a quick update on that. Just to update you on that. We've had quite a number of interesting days, I would say. Not a lot of movement, but the entire market structure in my eyes is interesting. So we'll talk about that. I'll give you my thoughts on what's happening right now and in general also what you can expect. I mean, you can see that today, this weekend, we started off relatively bullish. I think we can actually continue that. But whether we can get a rally or not, that remains to be seen. And I actually think it's a bit more likely that we will drop down. But I'll tell you more about that in this video. We'll do a full overview, a full technical update on that. So don't worry too much about that yet. For now though, before we get into the video, if you want to receive daily trading signals on, for example, Conflux, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now let's get into Conflux specifically. So sorry that my chart looks a bit like a neon billboard with all of these bright lights, but this was kind of my analysis a couple of days ago. I would argue that right now we are not much trending. We are really moving sideways, and I think we are mainly moving sideways between this level between 36 and 37 cents and this level right here between 40 and 41 cents. So while we're in that level, I would say we're consolidating. We're not in a trend. We're not going up. We're not going down. Now, the big thing though is where we can actually get some confirmation, I think, is this level between 40 and 41 cents. Strong level, has that trend line, psychological resistance level, has some Fibonacci levels, so altogether a very strong resistance. What I think will happen is that we will actually be able to continue this bullish momentum up to that level, which technically ranges from 39.5 cents all the way up to 41 cents. And there we are going to get confirmation. I think we're going to find resistance there, but if from that resistance we can actually find support at 37.5 cents, and kind of form higher highs, right? That is what we're doing, and keep testing that level and reach all the way up to 41 cents. If we can do that, so if we can actually start forming higher lows and we keep testing that 40 to 41 cents level, then I think if Bitcoin is fairly bullish as well, which it isn't right now, but we need that as well, right? So don't forget that. If Bitcoin is fairly bullish as well, and you kind of get that mixture of a bullish market and bullish confirmations for CFX, then I think we can actually have a bullish breakout and get up to 43, 44 cents. And then from there we'll see again. I mean, frankly, I'll just keep you updated on CFX. I know that a lot of you are still trading it. Now, the thing though is that at this point of time, even though I think 36 and 37 cents, that support level, it's strong. But the resistance in my eyes is just too strong. And I do not think Bitcoin can get a bullish breakout. So even if Bitcoin becomes very bullish right now, gets up to 28,500, 28,700, CFX will just get to this level, find resistance at the same point, at the same moment that Bitcoin finds resistance, and drop back down to 37 and 36. And at this point in time, I think the resistance is stronger than the support at around 36. So I think it's more likely that we will at some point drop down to 33 and 34. But I do have to say with that I do not expect that to happen. I think it's more likely that we'll just stay in this consolidation range until we get some sort of a catalyst in the market. Because right now there's just not a lot going on either. There are not a lot of bullish fundamentals, not a lot of bearish fundamentals. So it's waiting for that. It's waiting for some sort of news, some sort of an event to make us move. Could be, for example, the inflation rate next week, Wednesday. But until that time, I think we're consolidating, and I think it's more likely that we'll get that bearish breakout than that we can break above 40 and 41 cents. But that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care and bye.